Hi, this is an unboxing of the Lorex Smart Wi-Fi security camera. All right, let's see what's included. So, we have the camera, the Wi-Fi camera. We have the quick start guide. That's the rest of the quick start guide. And this has probably got all the other stuff in it. Yes, we have the magnetic wall mount, the camera mounting kit, the power adapter and cord, and it has a 16 gig micro SD card inside. All right, let's take a closer look at the camera. So, the front has the status LED, the camera lens, and the microphone. The side has the micro SD slot, and the back has the speaker, the reset button, and the power port. The security camera is minimalistic and unobtrusive to match any decor. No more wondering what's going on at home when you're away. The camera is designed to make home monitoring easy and straightforward with 112-degree field of view and a flexible camera head that's adjustable up to 90 degrees. Not only can you view more, but you can see all of the details. The security camera has built-in person detection, so you can keep tabs on movements in your home, get direct alerts from your phone via the Lorex Home app, only whenever a person enters the camera's field of view, eliminating annoying false alerts from swaying branches and staying updated when you're not there. Another added level of security is the IR night vision. Even when lighting isn't great, the IR night vision provides clear video quality up to 33 feet, identifying people more accurately at a greater distance. Now that is security I can trust. Now, the camera also has a built-in mic and speaker, so you can listen or talk to anyone remotely via the two-way talk feature. Plus, you'll never have to worry about privacy. All of the video recordings are securely stored in the micro SD card that comes with the camera. Local storage means free storage without any monthly fees. The memory is expandable up to 256 gigs. Connect to your camera 24/7 with a simple swipe of the Lorex Home app. You can watch live or recorded videos. With the built-in microphone and speaker, you can listen and talk with people even if you can't do it in person. This Wi-Fi camera is simple, secure, and full of features. Even when you're not around, you can trust Lorex 1080p to have your back.